Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel. Linux Guy here. Today we are going to be installing Ubuntu in virt-manager. So first we're going to open up virtual machine manager or virt-manager, and we're going to create a new virtual machine. Okay, so it says no active connection to install. Wait, what? Okay, I don't know why it said that. Okay, create a new virtual machine forward, and now we are going to choose our ISO that we've installed, Ubuntu, open and forward, and the memory is given, CPU is fine, and 25 gigabytes of space, it's perfect. And we're going to name it Ubuntu Virt and finish. Okay, so now we're going to install it. We're greeted into a grub menu, and it says try or install it. We're going to click on that or press enter, and I hope we will be greeted by the desktop of Ubuntu. Let's make it full screen. Now the installer. Okay, now here's the installer. We're gonna go ahead and install Ubuntu. Click on that, and English US. Perfect. And now we're gonna install the third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. I don't really need that because I'm installing it on a virtual machine, and we're gonna go for a minimal installation. Continue. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Since it's a virtual disk, so just click on install now. If you continue changes, okay, continue. And it has already picked up my location. Continue. And now we're going to set our user and password. So Ubuntu Virt, and the password. Continue. And now I think the installation, yeah, now the installation of the operating system has begun. Now all we need to do is wait for it to happen. Now let's just talk about Ubuntu for a sec. Ubuntu is a user-friendly operating system, Linux operating system for beginners. It's pretty easy, and a new user can easily get used to a Linux operating system by using Ubuntu. So if you're new to Linux and you want to try it out, just install a Ubuntu ISO and write it down to your USB drive through Rufus if you're on Windows, or Balena HF, which is a cross-platform media writing software and is present on both Windows, Mac, and Linux. Just install that and write it to your USB stick and just install it from it on your hardware. And finally, the installation is complete. It took a long time, and I don't know why. Maybe it was downloading something from the internet, and I had a horrible internet connection. So I think that's the reason. So whatever, at the end it did install, and now we have to restart our virtual machine. So just click on restart now, and it will restart the virtual machine. Let's go full screen. Let's see what happens. Okay, now we have to remove the installation media. So we need to, and it says yes, it is virt-io disk 1. The ISO had been removed. So now let's make it full screen. Let's see if we are greeted with a login manager, which I suppose it's gonna be like DM. I don't know, I haven't used Ubuntu in a very long time. I think it was like DM. No, it's GDM. I thought it was like DM. Oh wait, you have to do it manually. Okay, so let's put in our password and log in. And here we are to our Ubuntu desktop environment, which is GNOME that Ubuntu uses. Skip. No, I don't want to send system info. Next. Next. Done. Okay. So the first thing that I need to do is to go to display and set up my display. And my display is 1360 by 768. Apply. Keep changes. Okay. The fonts are a little blurry. I don't know why. Uh, okay. So now, and yes, it's not done completely. Right. Let's go full screen. I don't know what's causing this. Let's go back into settings and see what's going on. It is 1360 by 768. Why isn't it this one? Apply? No. I don't know why is it. Okay, whatever. So it is asking me to install some. There are some updates here. So the first need, the first thing that you must do after installing any operating system is to update your or operating system. It doesn't matter if you're on Linux or Windows, you must update your operating system. In my case, I'm not going to be doing it because I am on a virtual machine. So I'm going to remove that and go to the application menu, and here are some of the utilities, and there's not much installed, and we did install the minimal version. So let's go into terminal, and okay, let's just update our system. Let me zoom in. Now the command would be sudo for sudo privileges, apt is the package manager, and update, and then enter our password, and it's going to grab all of the updates that are available, which is about 225 packages can be upgraded. So to upgrade these packages, you need to put in the command sudo apt upgrade, and that's it. So I'm gonna type no because I'm on a virtual machine. I don't really need to do this. Now, as you can see, we have installed Ubuntu and it's working fine. And the first thing that needs to be done is to change this theme, man. It's really light. Perfect. I just want to be merciful to my eyes here. And this orange color, yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's go into our files. One thing that I've liked about Ubuntu is that their icon pack, it's really good. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe if you did enjoy it, and comment if there is something on your mind. Feel free to do so. And we're gonna meet in another video. Bye.